The Spraymaster is a really good piece of equipment. It's fast, effective, and I would say every kitchen, every commercial kitchen would need one. I like it because nobody can move it. It's always ready, it's there. You know it's there, you know it's always ready. As far as you get water and power, that's it. It's not like a gas-powered one, doesn't have that problems. You go in there, press the button, it goes on. Press the button, it goes on, that's it. It's very important our hospital kitchen stays clean and our food is safe, much safer than other restaurants all around the place. Spraymaster helps us save time and do a better job than compared to a portable pressure washer or, you know, a mop bucket or something like that. No, Spraymaster got no comparison. So it wins the race pretty much by miles.